Hello and welcome to part 195 of the Game Engine live stream. This is part 2 of porting the AssetManager to the Sonar classes. It's still opening up the repositories, so hence why all this is still string is giving error. Once the repositories have been opened, then we're all good. So yeah, so it's got to fix the error that we're getting had. We got it ported over. It didn't play the sound, like it made those errors have disappeared now. Let's give it a run. Right now, if we try and trigger a sound, it does just give an error. So yeah, that's triggered an error in play. Resources sound effect that way. Again, I just want to make sure I haven't try to play something that don't technically exist. Name one. Name one. Looks alright to me. Let me try something else. Let me just try saying sound S, and I'll put this in here. And I'll literally try and do s.play. So it plays it at the start, and I won't play music so I can actually definitely hear it. Give it a run, make sure volume is pretty high. I was already debugging. Okay, let's run it again. Ooh. Yeah, it made a sound. And obviously when I scroll it messes up. Okay, so it is getting into sound object.play. Just when it's trying to play it, something at some stage, it's not liking it at all. Maybe things doesn't exist anymore at that point. Let me try this. Don't see why that would fix it. No, that's not what I want to try. Okay, so it's still returning reference. Sounds.name. Actually, let me just try doing this. Dot play. Not even that. I'm gonna do this. First of all, let's see if s.play will actually play it. And what I'll do is I'll get rid of this. So it's creating, where was it creating it? Creating it here, so load sound. So the idea is it should actually play it. That's just a local sound. As long as that works, then we'll try something else. Hopefully everyone's having a good day. Don't know if that played or not. I don't know. Volume is super loud now. We should definitely know if it's played. Ah. That point is going into there. Now let's Google. Let me Google Sfml sound manager. See if somebody's done it. See if that like might help what I'm trying to do. Might be worth doing it that way instead. Might be worth saying in AssetManager for sound, for example, instead of using a map. Actually, we still need a map technically. For sound, we're gonna have std shared pointer, and that's going to be sound. Okay, and then what we would say here, this point we would say std make underscore shared sound equals sound for now. Make sure that okay, let me copy that. There's a little mistake on my part. So we'll say equals this, and we'll just put file name here. File name. Let's give this a run and let's give it a scroll and see what happens. Oh, whatever that was, that's disappeared. That error has now. It worked, but it was loud. I forgot that the volume was on low, but that's good though. Oh. What's up? That's good. Ooh, we've got 2 semicolons. Don't need them. So I'm gonna have a look at a couple of things. See if I was to put a const here and a const here, would I still be able to run? Would it still work? Hopefully it does. Seems to be fine. So now let's have a look at sorting out music. Let's try and do something similar. Shared pointer music. I'll get rid of the constants for now. That constant for now. I will add it after. So I will say, so this is obviously has to be that. I'll fix that error. Fix that error. It's a little load file. It's going to be equal to std make underscore shared music. Let's give that a go. So instead we're going to say get music, and we'll say am load music, and for this we'll just put music.org. Music.org. Give it a run, see what we got. I wonder what the update is in the Ready Player 1 sequel. Ready Player 2, really like the book. In many ways, I liked him more than number 1. Ready Player 2 movie. And it's in early stages of development. And there, what was there? Ernest Klein. What was the other one he released? Became an Armada. I really like that as well. You can do an Armada film. That's working just fine. Feel free to put a const here. I'm very happy with that. That's fine, we'll get rid of that. And we'll do the same thing here. So we'll say std shared pointer font underscore fonts. Underscore fonts, and we'll do std shared pointer texture. Get rid of this. Okay, in AssetManager, we'll go to get texture, get rid of this, get rid of this. This has to be dereferenced like so. I want to get rid of this everywhere. Okay, so now we'll do this. So that's just what std make underscore shared std underscore make underscore shared let's give that a run. Okay, I'm just thinking now, should I port the rest of the engine to the AssetManager, or if you create like a sprite, for example, and obviously that creates a texture. And if, like I say, if that creates a texture, their own instance, irrespective of AssetManager, then we can use an AssetManager if we want to. That means we could have multiple AssetManagers. I'm not too sure. I'll leave it like this for now. So to do, that's done though. That's good. That's looking good. So next is sorting algorithm. I mean, this is just going to be code that I'm going to get offline. Probably be a library. Probably will be. And just slap it in. It'll be like a quick, easy one. So if I go to, let's just have a look. So if I go to C++ sorting library. See, we just want a library. Don't need to recode all this. Okay, sorting built in. Algorithm. That's still not. I mean, that's still not one. Let's have a look. So for this sort, what sorting algorithms do they have in here? I mean, there was an update an hour ago. And see. What that was about? Oh, it's named after that. And pretty popular. I'll give it a star. Does this have multiple sorting algorithms built in? Bubble sorter. That's something I'll look more into. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap up now for the simple reason I wanted to keep this short. I'm gonna do about half an hour, and honestly, it is approaching half an hour. Plus, we got it done. The asset manager complete. That just took what? 2 days. That was it. Was it 3 days of this maybe? Was it part 2 or 3? Can't remember. And we are in documents, GitHub, Project XYZ, code, Project XYZ, platform, Windows, Sfml template, debug, delete this big bad boy, commit master. Okay, so 196, number 1, sorting algorithms, algorithm. What am I even looking at? I'll get up. Push origin. Yeah, that is it. So I'll be sorting algorithms. Hopefully that should just be one lesson. And really these, we should be getting through these pretty nicely and quickly. At least a bunch of them. Physics might take a bit of time. Again, we're just going to be using the built-in engine. Maybe in the engine, potentially we'll see build into the graphics classes that shapes and sprites. Ah, that one. Oh, I'll check the free. Okay. Okay, that's that done. I want to thank everyone for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye bye.